We'll guide you through how to change the background color in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Inkscape application on your desktop. Once you have your project open, go to the top menu and click on File from the dropdown, select Document Properties. A new panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see a section titled Background here. You'll find a small color swatch next to the label Background Color. Click on this swatch to open the Color Picker dialog box. This is where you can choose your desired background color. You can either pick a color from the palette, enter the Xcode, or adjust the sliders for the RGB values for a more precise color. Once you've chosen your color, make sure to click OK to confirm your selection. You should now see the background color of your canvas change to the one you selected. Remember, this change is only visible when you're working in Inkscape and won't affect the background of exported images, unless you specifically set it to do so. If you want the background color to appear in your exported file, go to Export PNG Image under the File menu and make sure the page option is selected before exporting. This ensures that the background color you chose is included in the exported image. It's a simple process, but it makes a big difference in how your project appears. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.